Are human shields a legal challenge for military forces? Imagine a situation where civilians are deliberately placed in harm's way to protect military targets. This tactic might seem straightforward, but it raises complex legal questions. When civilians or other protected persons are used as human shields, it creates a serious challenge for military forces trying to follow international laws. These laws, including the Geneva Conventions and the laws of armed conflict, are designed to protect civilians and prevent unnecessary suffering. Using human shields is explicitly forbidden under these laws and is considered a war crime. The Geneva Conventions, especially the third and fourth, prohibit the use of civilians to shield military objectives. This means civilians cannot be forced or coerced into staying near or around military targets to deter attacks. Both active human shielding, where civilians are moved to shield targets, and passive shielding, where military forces position themselves near civilians, violate these rules. These practices put innocent people at risk and misuse their protected status. Legal consequences for using human shields are severe. Under the Rome Statute of the International Criminal Court, employing human shields is classified as a war crime. This allows authorities to prosecute individuals responsible, whether they are military commanders or other actors involved. Many countries also have domestic laws that can punish such actions. For military forces, the presence of human shields complicates operations. They must balance the need to attack legitimate targets with the obligation to protect civilians. The principles of distinction and proportionality requiring forces to differentiate between military and civilian objects and avoid causing excessive harm. When human shields are involved, these principles become harder to apply because attacking a target risks harming civilians who are being used as shields. Civilians used as shields still retain their protected status and cannot be targeted unless they directly participate in hostilities. Determining whether someone is actively participating or simply being used as a shield can be difficult, but is critical for lawful action. Military forces must take all feasible precautions to minimize civilian harm, even when facing such tactics. This might mean choosing different tactics, timing, or weapons to reduce risks. In the end, using human shields presents a tough legal and ethical challenge. It complicates efforts to follow international laws meant to protect civilians. While such practices are illegal and punishable, military forces must carefully plan their actions to avoid harming innocent people while targeting legitimate military objectives.